Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you practical tips and strategies to help you build wealth and achieve financial independence. Today, we have a special video for all the beginners out there who want to start investing but don't know where to begin. We'll be covering the essential steps to get you on the path to building wealth through investing. So, let's dive right in. Step 1 is to establish your financial goals. Before you start investing, it's crucial to understand what you're investing for. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or perhaps funding your child's education? Identifying your goals will help you determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Step 2 is to create an emergency fund. Before you put your money into investments, it's essential to have a safety net in place. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid and easily accessible account. This emergency fund will protect you from unexpected expenses or job loss without needing to dip into your investments. Step 3 is to educate yourself about investment options. There are various investment vehicles available, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, each with its unique characteristics and risk levels. Take the time to research and understand these options to make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 4 is to determine your asset allocation. Asset allocation refers to the distribution of your investment portfolio across different asset classes. It's crucial to strike a balance based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. For example, a young investor with a long-time horizon may have a higher allocation to stocks for potential growth, while someone closer to retirement may prefer a more conservative allocation. Step 5 is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio helps spread the risk and reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Consider investing in different industries, regions, and asset classes. This way, if one investment underperforms, others can potentially make up for it. For example, let's imagine you have a portfolio with stocks from various sectors, such as technology, healthcare, and consumer goods. If the technology sector experiences a downturn, the other sectors may still perform well, minimizing the overall impact on your portfolio. Step 6 is to create an investment plan. Once you've done your research and decided on your asset allocation, it's time to put it all together into a cohesive investment plan. Your plan should outline your financial goals, asset allocation, risk tolerance, and a strategy for monitoring and rebalancing your portfolio over time. For instance, your investment plan might include specifics like how much you'll contribute to your portfolio each month, how often you'll review and adjust your investments, and what benchmarks you'll use to evaluate your progress. Having a well-defined plan will help you stay on track and make informed decisions throughout your investing journey. Step 7 is to open an investment account. There are numerous platforms and brokerages available that offer easy and affordable ways to invest. Consider factors like fees, investment options, and user experience when choosing a platform. Opening an account is usually a straightforward process, and many platforms provide educational resources to support beginners. Step 8 is continuous learning. The world of investing is dynamic and constantly evolving. Staying informed is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Keep yourself updated with financial news, market trends, and economic indicators that may impact your investments. Take advantage of books, podcasts, and reputable online resources to expand your knowledge and stay ahead. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It's normal to encounter ups and downs along the way. By continuously learning and adapting, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-changing investment landscape. Thank you for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide has provided you with valuable insights to kickstart your investing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.